I'll give you a prime thing to say. Okay. And
Okay.
this is free of charge. Okay. Prime thing to say. I had a client, I was working on the landlord side. Okay. And my client said, look, I don't want any plastic chairs. And I said, well, what do you mean by that? He said, well, look, if I have the same tenant that you will find 2 blocks over and 4 blocks that way and 3 blocks that way, what is the unique benefit of the customer coming to me? So if you have a one-off bakery, you can really talk about your independence and you're not replicated anywhere else. And this is what makes your bakery stand out from everybody else. This is what you're known for. And so what you are doing is you're capturing unique market, because every landlord is concerned that, and this is one of the reasons why people are, when it comes to Starbucks, there's a bit of a problem with Starbucks, is there's one on every corner. So what makes Starbucks in your property unique? And the situation is, it's not. So if I had an artisanal coffee roaster, on the other hand, that is something that I can build upon and have many of in my shopping center if I'm the landlord. And independents actually have a lot of weight to provide that character. What we're seeing, particularly in retail, not so much in office, and certainly not in warehouse, but in retail, we're looking for experiential. So if you can give a new experience that isn't on every street corner, guess what? You're valuable to the landlord.
Interesting. Okay, great. So we're focusing on those unique attributes for, our audience here that's tuning in, focus on being unique, different, not on every street corner. Focus on, how those are pluses, not minuses. Don't view yourself as because you're not, I like that phrase, plastic, or viewed as that way, right? Where it is, once you reach a certain size, right? So the messaging today as an emerging brand and a growing brand is, hey, we are unique, we're different. Here are all of the pluses you get. And then as you get larger, you say, well, look, we draw the foot traffic, right? Now you'd switch to the pitch that Starbucks or a McDonald's or what have you presents to their when they're negotiating or going through things, right?
You got
so, okay.
it. This is the way that we position those things.